Okay, guys. Let's go back to the market area. Di tayo makahanap pa ng ulam. Walang nagustuhan si dading isda. Walang nagustuhan si dading isda. Okay, Calabanga Community College. Hi, market. Let's go back to Lolo first, Hana.
No.
Why? Hey, baby, this is the market, baby. So this is how it looks like market in here. Oh, may dog. Kumit sa kabila. Lolo is right over there, oh. Oh, you wanna go there? Ah, not in there, baby ko. We have nothing to buy in there. Oh, Lolo's tricycle is right over there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hola, guys. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ana. We're going back to Lolo Sunny.
No.
Let's go. Yeah, Lolo is right over there. Come on. We have to go back to Lolo Sunny. Big love shout out to our 17 live viewers and 1 liker. Hola, guys. Hola, hola. Going back to Lolo's house. To Lolo's tricycle palan. Let's see if it's done. Magpagiling si Lolo ng kakao. Yung kakao na binalatan kanina. Let's be behind here. Up in here. Market tayo dito. Kasaba, kamote, gabi. Let's go, baby. Ito, mani. Kano kaya ang kilo dito sa mani? Ha! Yan, no. Chicharo, where's Lolo? Lolo's here. Ha? 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 Ah, ginigabang palaman? Peanut butter? Oh. Okay.
Ibubutan ng mansala na.
Okay. Nagay dito. Oh, may nagkukudkod dito. May nagkukudkod dito. Look at the TV, oh. Mga ano naman dito, baby ko. Coconut. They're selling coconut. Ano ka, baby?